So peace and one perfect love. July 23 coming at y'all with another video. Man, I really appreciate y'all for tuning in today. Gotta get this wisdom, gotta get this knowledge, gotta get this divine understanding, man. Y'all already know I'm Zaylock, and y'all know I'm a big ball of positive energy, man. Peace, love, health, strength, righteousness, and truth, okay? It's good for your health, so you might as well. And you know what else is good for your health? Oh, this sea moss. This is African sea moss, not the Caribbean, okay? This is coming straight out of the African Sea. I bet a lot of people didn't know, okay, that sea moss can come from Africa as well, okay? So this is something new, all right? So we're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna let y'all know what we're getting into today. All right, family, so today we're gonna do a pineapple, strawberry, African sea moss, okay? And then a guava juice base, okay? Just to add a little, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, I'm gonna show y'all what we got going step by step, and this smoothie is gonna be mwah. All right, so I'm gonna lead y'all right into it. Let's get into it. All right, family, so first and foremost, the beloved African sea moss, okay? This is coming straight out of Tanzania, okay? East Africa. So yeah, family, I also wanted to just show you all the validity of what I'm saying. This is the packaging that the moss came in, and it's coming straight from the Republic of Tanzania. Got the coat of arms on there. See what I'm saying? The fisheries, all right? This is licensed, all right? As you all can see, that's the post parcel, shipped straight from East Africa. Wild crafted. As you can see, there is no salt. I haven't even washed it yet, okay? This is how it comes. I mean, there is no salt on this moss. You can see how thin it is, okay? This is pure, authentic moss. So this is the rainbow variety. We also have the gold and the purple, but this is the rainbow. And all of this is now on the website, okay? So let's move on. I got some guava juice, you know what I'm saying? All right, then we got some strawberries, You know, we got a nice ripe pineapple right now, okay? And we got the blending material, the NutriBullet, what I'm using for this video. And then this is the water that I'm going to soak the sea moss in. What I have here is a scale, okay? So we're gonna go ahead and weigh out 2 ounces. We're gonna see how much 2 ounces can provide for us, how much sea moss gel 2 ounces will produce. And then this is also the mason jar. I heavily recommend getting mason jars. Only try to work with glass, okay? Glass or wooden material, but definitely for the sea moss, get mason jars. They're perfect for sea moss gel, okay? So this is about the size we're gonna work with, and let's see how much 2 ounces can fill this up. All right, family, so went ahead and turned it on. I've already gotten my 2 ounces right here. I did like a selection of some of the gold, some of this bluish purple kind of color, some of this reddish pinkish color. So I'm just putting all that in there, make that sea moss fire. So I got my 2 ounces. Let's go ahead and move on over here. So now it's time to soak your moss. This is a process to where you'll know that it's finished when you see it expand, okay? It has to expand and it becomes more jelly, so it'll make that gel nice and thick, okay? So that's what we're gonna get into right now. All right, fam, so I got my 2 ounces here. Go ahead and put it in a bowl. You want them to soak in a glass bowl, definitely get a glass bowl. That's what I recommend, okay? So then next, we got my water. You just go ahead and pour it up. And you want this, you can let it sit overnight. You just wanna make sure all the moss is sitting properly in the water. All right, family, so got the moss in there. I got majority of it submerged underneath the water's surface. Recommendation about 6 to 8 hours, but some people do it overnight as well, you know, if you wanna take in some of that moon energy. But just for the sake of this video, I'm gonna go ahead and let it do 6 to 8 hours for now. And just so you all can see, I'll be right back with y'all. All right, family, so we're all set. We got this nice East African moss. Got the strawberries, we got the pineapple, we got the guava juice, we got the sea moss in there soaking, cooling. Sea moss is one of the most nutrient dense superfoods that nature provides, okay? Not that human provides, nature. And nature is created from what? The creator, right? So this sea moss is a blessing from the divine. We all know that the human body is basically earth. When you eat food, your body is composed of minerals, vitamins, nutrients. And when you eat different nutrients and vitamins and minerals, you're replenishing what's already within your body. But there's some things found in nature that your body needs in order to aid its health process, to keep your eyes sharp, to keep your mind sharp, to keep your heart sharp, your lungs, your whole human organism, okay? So this is how we know these things. These are spiritual foods. These are electrical foods. These are cosmic foods, because this sea moss needs all the heavenly bodies in order to be created. It needs elements. It needs all the natural elements in order to be created, okay? So the sea moss actually, it grows on a rock and it absorbs the nutrients from that rock, okay? So this is strictly wild crafted. Just to give you all a comparison, so this is before and this is the after. As you can see, it has expanded considerably. Look at all this green piece. So that's how it's looking right now, family. So now I'm about to move on to the next step. All right, family, so got everything blended. This is how much we have left. I went ahead and blended the rest, right? Because we did begin with 2 ounces, but as you can see, it's pretty much about half and half. So this is 1 ounce and it filled this whole mason jar. This mason jar is about 8 ounces, okay? So also do note that I began with about that much water, but by the end of the 2 ounces, I probably poured about this much, okay? This moss is thicker. It's a thick moss, so you do want to even out that thickness, all right? So you can be kind of heavy-handed with the water with this moss. Also, family, sometimes I add cinnamon to the sea moss gel as I'm blending it up, okay? So that cinnamon, you taste it slightly in your smoothies as well. And cinnamon also has many health benefits, okay? So, you know, just something to play around with if you just want to put a little flavor in your joint, you know? All right, so this is what we're looking like, family. I'm gonna go ahead and put this in the refrigerator. I'm gonna let this chill so it can get even more gelled up, and I'm gonna be right back with y'all. All right, family, so I went ahead, took it out. It's good. It done gelled up really nice. You see how it's not even moving. How you want it. And this gel is thick. So I would say even 1 spoonful of this gel into the smoothie of your choice will be sufficient, will suffice. All right, so I did the pineapple, strawberry. I did a guava juice base. Fireworks. Smooth, and you're drinking, you're toasting to your health. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Y'all already know it's a lot of Ghana videos coming up, a lot of Africa videos coming up. Spending some time with my family here before I go back to the motherland, Alkebulan. Remember that we have the purple, the gold, and the rainbow sea moss available on the website now. It is now available, www.mynaturalroots.org. I will put the link in the description. And this moss is coming straight from the coast of Tanzania, East Africa, okay? So take care of yourself, take care of yourself, take care of yourself. You know, peace, 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 love, love, love. I thank you so much for watching, man. Gotta get this wisdom, gotta get this knowledge, gotta get this divine understanding, and I gotta get this smoothie going on. So, I'm gonna holler at y'all later. Peace.